Creating a responsive card in Framer can be difficult. So I am going to show you how to do it step by step. I am Antonia, a Framer developer and website designer. Let's get started with the lesson.
You go to text to create the title of your card, then change the properties to whatever you want. Select your title text and use Ctrl plus D to duplicate your title. Type or paste your description text. Change just the weight and size. Select your title text and press Shift plus A to apply auto layout. Repeat the same for the description text. Select both of the stacks. Press Shift plus A to apply auto layout. Select image and draw a frame. Choose an image. Select the image and create a stack. Press Shift plus A to create a stack. Select the title text. Then, change the width to fill and height to fit for both the text and stack. Repeat the same for the description text and its stack. Select the image and set width to fill. Select the main stack and go to padding. You can use whatever you like for the padding. I'm changing my text to black because I want my card to be white. Changing the fill to white. Set your radius to 30. Increasing the gap to 30. Select the title text and align it to the left. Then, select your text stack and set width to fill. Now, you have a responsive card.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to save the video and follow for more. Bye.